The first one where I been called, now the one where consigned that our mama will come with the daughter, where talk say the papa die, and then the will where the papa write, one lawyer come with one person, come, they read the will, they mention all their names, but inside the will, they no will anything give them. Everything they will and give the man, and they no know the man. Where we can't call the lawyer, that yesterday the lawyer begin talk. Before time reach, make we pack aya come off from studio. Now the one where we go do now, find out whether our sister Rose requires seat. Make una give her seat. I beg. Now I beg. We no know, nobody know whether anything there will fit make them know. Make una give her seat, I beg. If it no, it must not be inside. You can put the seat by the side. Make you sit down. Good morning, Rose.
Good morning, Cousin Todd Ike.
Yes,
Good
you
morning,
talk say your name now waiting.
Rose Ruben.
Now, to help people where just they follow the program for the first time now, and then people where even follow yesterday, but they know they sure waiting happen. You go just do a recap, and 3 minutes that recap go be. Tell us waiting be that cry where you carry come yesterday. We make us say today we go continue. We've been doing reach somewhere. We say we go continue. Make we see the end of the matter.
Yes, sir.
And now you and Mama come. Waiting be Mama name.
Gimbia Ruben.
Gimbia Ruben. And yes, Mama sir. Yesterday agree, say make you talk on her behalf.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Talk to us now.
I come here because of my father where die and the person where they help and sell land claim all the property. And the will where they write again. We know sure saying our father nine right and before he die. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you been tell us story say your father die.
Yes, sir.
And person where they around them where they help them to sell the property.
Yes,
say
sir.
The will where they write. They say una no they sure say no be una father write them.
Yes, sir.
Because inside that will, una see say all of una name appear for the will. But your father no will anything if na him write the will to una.
Yes.
One point where you raise. Then second point where you raise be say the house where your father they live, the way where they take describe them, the house no they for the will as per house.
Yes.
But the way thing they describe them as land, no be the correct description.
Yes.
When mean say something fit there wrong with that will.
Yes.
You also talk say the circumstances surrounding the will when on a father right. First be say the man will come claim the things where they say the will they to where be Danjuma, Danlami, no be him.
Yes.
Say before even on a father die, when on a father say there for hospital, him been call one of ona. Who be that one where he call?
Now my elder brother.
Your elder brother, that one senior you directly.
Yes, sir.
Can't tell him say ona papa don't will everything to ram.
Yes.
But that time ona papa never die.
He dey hospital.
He dey hospital.
My brother come reason and say how my father go dey hospital. Then they go come tell me this kind of thing. Then I come they question my father for sick bed.
Okay, your brother no come ask your father.
He no ask him anything, but he tell one of my elder sister where there with my father till he die. So after he come they get him body small. He can't tell my sister, say, you know, go tell your children, make them come help me clear this place. Now my sister calls and say, Baba, they come here, they help you, they do other things. But that one, I know said that my children will be boys. Now then go fit do that one, me I know fit do one. But the thing be say, Danjuma don't tell us, so you will everything give him.
Now after your father don't recover small,
yes.
That your sister tell him.
Yes. Now
that your sister now elder or younger?
My elder sister.
They don't marry?
Yes, sir.
How many children?
She get 5 children.
Wow. Okay.
So she can't tell us, say you say you don't will everything give Danjuma. Made my children come clear the place for Danjuma. I be for you, we be our father. Which one? Now my father tell my sister, say you no talk anything like that too. Now my sister tell and say to if you recover before we go talk of the matter, but now where your body never strong. Make we leave the matter like that. As you say, you no talk anything. So the body can't hold until he can't die. They no talk of the matter.
Child, may his soul rest in peace.
Amen. So even inside the will, sir. I did been inside the will, then tell us, say, see waiting when our father say una do one. We for not even come here because we for know the offense where we do to our father. We for just relax, we for say to now our fault, we offend them. But then just read the will, put all our names and also see waiting when our father say una do one. Then just say then will everything give Danjuma and I make I come. So that
how many children on our father get?
We be 4 wey remain now, but my late brothers wey don die before them put them inside the will. So na 6 children them put.
Now 6 children.
Yes.
Okay, the 6 now your mama born all of them.
Yes, sir.
Oh, hold on. Yes, barrister, hold on. I dey see your missed call. Now make me the call. Just stay on the line. Now me call you now. No be your credit at least. Stay on the line. Okay. So, waiting I been ask you now.
Yes, sir.
I dey ask you.
Yes, sir.
Waiting I ask you now before I take this call.
Now 6 children, 4 children are in their life now, but now 6 they mentioned for the will.
Okay. And some of your brothers we been done die even before the will, the date of the will, according to you. Then they inside the will.
Yes, sir.
These 6 children, who and who born them? Now your mama born them.
Yes, sir.
All the 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And your mama and your father, then they live together.
They know they together.
They know they're together.
Yes, but the way we they treat our mother, they check on her, they do everything for her. And so we they do for our father too, because as they know they together, you know, consign us the children, because we don't know waiting come between 2 of them.
Since
so we the children.
Where they know they're together?
About 32 years ago.
32 years ago.
Yes, sir. I'm the last born.
Okay. Where on a day? On a day with mama or on a day with papa since that 32 years?
We dey with mama, but me that time when mama come up for in house, me I dey small, I still dey hand.
You know fit dey away from mama now.
Yes. So after everything, after I grew up, my mother told me that this is your dad. I started going to his place. At times, if she send me go that side, I go check on him whether he's fine or not. So at times I will go there, I will find out that my father is very sick. For some days, he has not eaten anything and nobody to take care of him. I will now run home to my mother. I will say, Mama, I go see my father, you know well. I will go do this one, and my mother go tell me, so okay, carry this thing, go your father's house, go cook this thing, prepare and keep am for her, make sure say they okay before you come back.
Of a daughter.
My mother go still come again, go ask me, say how your father be. I go tell her, say see how in condition be. My mother go say okay, make we go see him. She go follow me, we go there, go see my father. After my father gets well, at times he go just follow us come the house, still come insult my mother, go come they feel bad because
your mother no marry another man within that.
He marry another woman, the woman no fit stay with him again, she no fit endure, she go.
Your father marry another woman?
Yes, after my mother, the woman no fit endure, she pack her things and go. She no get any pikin. After that again, still marry another one. That one no even reach 3 months for in house. She still go again.
She still go.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but mama marry another man?
No.
You no marry another man?
Yes, sir.
Okay. As he be say, we dey talk with you before we start. The person we call on phone, now the barrister we been start to talk yesterday.
Yes, sir.
And I no want stop the question where they ask you, because as we asked barrister question yesterday, na so we ask you, and na so we go also ask you even for the matter. So now barrister they online, I go want make him introduce himself, then he go continue. He go just do a quick recap of where he stopped yesterday, so that in case somebody they listening today for the first time, the person go understand wetin him been done talk yesterday. Then he go carry on from there to conclude. Now when he conclude, now we go fit now talk to them. Barrister, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So you go introduce yourself and then you carry on.
Okay. Like yesterday when I talked, my name is Barrister John Amama. I did for just classes where I did practice law. Now, yesterday when you called, when I called, I took time to call because I was not aware that you were waiting for me. It was later on they told me that you were waiting for me. Now, for the will, we were talking about a will yesterday and how I extract details from my client and prepare the will for him. Where it took me, just a recap of yesterday, it took me like 2 months to discuss with them and get the facts on ground and discuss the will. So after preparing the will, he signed and 2 witnesses. He had 2 witnesses. Now, as of yesterday, you asked for the WhatsApp should send you pictures of the will, which I will do today before the end of today. I've asked my secretary to check our archives in the wardrobe and get it, and then I'll send you pictures. Now, part of the will, that is the registered will, is with the Plateau State High Court probate. That is where you register it and keep it there for you. Now, as at yesterday, we stopped at where you asked me the issue of if Baba signing the will, which I said yes, it was since 2001 that we prepared the will, and I believe that he signed, which of course I believe at this time. Now, what I have to say from that yesterday, make I have for today, is that before extracting details of the will from the late Baba, I asked some questions, fundamental questions required of a lawyer. And I asked Baba, I say, what is between you and your wife? And Baba told me that the wife, the mother of the children, is not his wife. And from 1990 or 1991, that woman took Baba to grade 1 area court in Bassa and asked the court to dissolve their marriage. And Baba said he didn't contest it with her, and he agreed, and the court dissolved the marriage. Now, for law, it gets separation, it gets dissolution. If you separate with your wife, that means the court will give you some time, when I fit come back, when I get time to settle this court and come back. But where the court outrightly dissolve the marriage, you know that you are no more. That means the marriage is a nullity. Now, the position at which Mama came to you, I would not know because I didn't follow the program from the beginning. If Mama presents herself to you as a widow of Baba, that is my late client, then that is misrepresentation of fact. Because where you be widow of Baba, you have to be married to him until the point of death. Now, if you calculate from between 1990 and 91, up till the death of Baba, who died 21st February 2024, they were never together. Again, the lady who led Mama to come and present the case before you, now, she, at a point, Baba sold a particular land, which is attached to the will. The land is also part of the will he made. And he asked that very lady to go and meet one Mr. Bello. He sold it to one Mr. Bello. And he asked her to go to Mr. Bello and get some of the money. I cannot remember particularly how much. I think the Mr. Bello is still alive. He's still on that particular place. So when we meet him, he will give us his sale agreement and we'll see. And Mr. Bello can testify that he paid some money to that lady. When the lady came to Baba, Baba claimed that the lady stole some of his money. And it led to a situation where he had to send her out again from his house. Now, in between 1990 and 1991, that Mama took Baba to court and dissolved their marriage, Mama got married to another man. She now married another man, born another girl with that man. So automatically she cannot present herself as a widow of Baba. Now, Baba had two sons. And the most senior son, his name is Akanu Ruben Anyaka. Who was the senior son. Baba is close to me as his lawyer. He said at a particular point in time, he gave Akanu 10 plots of land. From part of the land he willed. And that first son, Akanu, whether he sold the land and used the money or whatever he did with the land, Baba said he was not happy. And the people who bought that particular portion from the Akanu are there today. they can testify and actually give evidence to say that, okay, they planned for who. So by and large, we carried out our investigation. We don't just rush, go do will, simply because somebody says you want to do will. Especially when you involve a very, very drastic change. When a man tells you that his wife and children should not benefit from his property, you would wonder, say, Baba, is all well? What is the issue? Now, because we are on national TV, and ordinarily, these things are exposed to you, should have been between client and lawyer relationship, and I shouldn't expose them. But however, we are at the point we are today. I have to just open it up, tell you, and say, okay, these are some of the steps that Baba took, and some of the discussions we had with Baba in private, and then we now got to where we are. Now, at the point where I disclosed to them the content of the will, they were enlightening people around. The family members were around.
Who and who?
And even some cousins. The point we read when I disclosed the will to them.
Yes.
The particular lady was present. Mama, who accompanied her to your studio, was present. The elder brother, Akanu Ruben Kaba, was present. The second son, the daughter, Abindaki Ruben Ayaka, was present. The second son, Ayiki Kaban Ruben, was present. And all of the members of the family. And I told them, I said, okay, this is the wish of your father. And you both know what transpired between you people as a family. Now, for the issue of, the lady raised a very fundamental issue where she talks, they horribly buried her father. That is very, very fundamental. Now, Baba fell ill. He was going off and on sickness. But sometimes around November 2023, he started, his health deteriorated. If Baba goes out, Baba will fall down on the road. People will call and say Baba is on the floor. Well-meaning Nigerians, some of them will pick him and take him to the hospital. Some will call that young man who benefited from the will, Danjuma. They will call him and say, come, your father is on the ground. Then he will go there and do it. Now, in between November 2023 and February 25th was when Baba gave up his post. May he so rest in peace.
Amen.
Now, yes, sir, after his death, they had a family meeting in the house where Baba lived, with the two sons present, with the second senior sister, daughter, present. But the lady who came to your studio was not present because she has been in Abuja. And in between November and February 21st that the father died, I don't know if she is aware that he was sick and his health has deteriorated. She did not visit, neither did she come around until that when the father gave up. Now, from the information I got, the preparation of the burial was done between her elder brother, Atanu Ruben, and the elder sister, and all other of the family members, including the brothers. Now, it was the elder brother who preceded the Baba attended this church. I think what was the name of the church? It's my mind. Jehovah Witness. Baba is a Jehovah Witness. And it was Ruben Akanu, the first son, who went to the pastor of Jehovah Witness and informed him. And the church came and carried out the funeral service of Baba. So by and large, these are some of the details I feel I should let you know today, because yesterday I was not readily available and time was going. I learned that people who waited for me for long to talk to me on the phone. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Barrister.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for taking your time to explain these things where you explain where you know. And now where you say you don't explain finish, even that yesterday, Danjuma been telling me saying they're ready to talk. Again, I go see whether we go get space to call and make it talk. But this one where you talk, some people there for studio where want ask some questions. Yesterday, remember I say you get one question where I asked where you never answer. I don't know whether you don't find answer to that question. You remember the question?
Yes, whether Baba signed the will.
Who signed the will?
Which one?
Who signed the will? You say?
Baba signed.
Okay.
Baba signed.
Inside them as signature or inside them as what?
He signed it as thumbprint.
Okay, as thumbprint.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
You
sir.
talk say this will na 2001 nine they do the will.
Yes, it should be. Don't either 2001 or 2002, but 2001. I'm
Okay.
sure. I'm checking the copy in the
2001. And you also talk say this will they registered in a court.
Yes.
It means if we go to that court, we go see the will, we go fit get access to them and the evidence say they
Very well,
register.
sir.
Which
Very
court
well,
be
sir.
that?
Yes, sir. Plateau State High Court.
Plateau State High Court.
Plateau State
Okay.
High Court. Yes. Probate registry.
Okay. Plateau State High Court. And 2000.
Probate registry.
Where?
Probate registry.
Probate registry. Okay.
Yes.
And then 2001. And you say Babaton print. But the lady where you they talk, where be Rose, where they for studio, she also talks, say, some of her brothers where we say they don't die. Their names, they inside the will. I don't know whether the brothers die before the will or after the will.
No, I think what I did, I asked the Baba to list all his children that he ever gave birth to. Yes, and he listed them, and I captured it the way he listed them.
Okay.
Because I met him in the house. Yes, sir.
Me, I no be lawyer. I dey ask from the side of a layman. Wetin he go list? What is the purpose of listing people inside a will? Where we say they no get anything inside the will, or they know they are alive inside the will.
Okay. The purpose of listing people inside will, it can be perhaps maybe the people get grandchildren, get children, that is the children to the person who is making the will, who are now grandchildren. And in our own custom and tradition, if, for instance, I am not alive today, and I have a son who also has a child, and my son is also not alive, in the event where my properties are being shared, they will remember my grandson. So, and that is why while extracting information from people who ask you to be a will for them, you will ask them to list all the children. Perhaps a lineage for his own mind. If he say, okay, this property or this portion of land, I want to give to this my son. But because the son maybe died before the father, but has a grandson, he can now inherit. So in law, and to make things straight, that's now one of the reasons why we list whether dead or alive children of the person we want to give way.
Okay. Thank God people where they learn it, where be lawyers, they listen to you, they go respond to you, they go also ask questions. But me, from the side of a layman, I go ask, what be the purpose of listing person where we say, even at the end, the same grandchildren where they list in case nothing was willed to them. Assuming say something they will to them, at least it go make much sense to me. But as you talk and now, it no make plenty sense to me, where no be lawyer. Then she also talks, say some of the property where they list inside that will, say some of them na property where no they exist or they don't already sell them, or they talk say they don't sell them. So how you go con the list property where in don't sell already inside the same will?
Okay, now in between 2001 or 2002, as the case may be, when we get the document, and 2024 when Baba died. There is possibility that maybe we don't exhaust the properties. But maybe one time Baba sell the property. Baba will fetch up and sell. Because in the will, the way he listed it to me, you see, he only said we have a land, a piece of land around. And when we went there, he just showed me a piece of place. This place is road. So in most cases, you find out that we don't cut small, sell for this one. Cut small, sell for that one. Waiting if it remains, perhaps maybe 2 or 3 plots, or some 5 plots. Now, in between 2022 or 2021 and 2024, I will not know whether it don't exhaust all the total area. Abi it still contains some. But from the day where we sit down for the family, we now discover that almost everything Baba don't sell, except for the particular place where he own living house is. And even in that place, he just mentioned the land.
He mentioned the land?
Yes, sir. Where the house is occupied, sir.
But house then, I mean, say, as na land he mentioned, if true, nine do the will, now only the land the person go take, another person go fit take the house.
So, that is now subject to, get with you with a call interpretation of the content of the document. If you want to contest the will, and you want the court to help you interpret the content of the document, you can now approach the court and say, okay, can the land be part of the house? Once it is not specific, it is subject to the interpretation of the court. So now say, okay, for the fact that it is a land, house was not mentioned, the court can now decide and say, okay, yes, it is only the land, or otherwise, it depends on the understanding of the court.
Okay, yes, as we dey talk now, I want make I allow people for studio, may they ask you their own questions, and even our sister Rose, where they for studio here, if she get any question to ask you, she go ask you, and then you go answer us before we go call the other people. We go also open telephone line for in case some people will be lawyers like you. Some no be lawyers, but they understand where they outside, or they as then they follow this question matter, then they listen, then they read in between the lines. They go fit talk their own and as he be them. So stay on the line. Rose.
Sir?
You get any question to ask this lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, ask him.
The day when he read the will, he say he write that will 2022. Now they write the will. And the day when they write the will, say my father know well, he know if he hold the biro to write anything. Now waiting he read in presence of everybody where they there.
Okay.
And when I asked her yesterday, he say, now just fever, no be say the body hold on like that. But now waiting he tell us that day be that. Say now 2022, now they write the will.
Okay. Barrister, you dey here? Rose talks, say the day where you read that will, you tell them that place, say now 2022, now they write the will. So even that time, their father, he no fit whole biro, write anything. So it means say maybe now somebody write them for him.
And he write them himself.
Oh, now you write them yourself. And then a contact say, wait, how it can be said today? You they talk 2001 when you been tell them say na 2022. No be so?
Yes.
So waiting you talk today, according to Ram, he said no be waiting you talk the day you read the will. Waiting be your answer.
Okay, my answer is the will, like I said, we prepared it. And in between the time, just like I say 2021 or 2022, if you hear me well. I mentioned the body because we don't keep more. Now, after the preparation, I said before preparation, I visit Baba. It took me 2 months where I met him once. He told me his mind. I went back again. he still said his name before I went back the third time. And again, from waiting, she talked. Of course, it is not the testator or the person who they give will to go type. The will they in type form. You know, they in manual form.
Okay, no be handwritten will.
Exactly. If I get details from Baba, I will come carry and go office, go type them, come back, come read them to Baba ears, then interpret them to Baba ears to the language we understand. And that is how you say me right will on the instruction of Baba. No be say Baba carry Bible, sit down there right. No be handwritten.
Okay.
Yes,
one other thing where I believe say go resolve this debt conflict issue from the rules, and you be say you talk say they no just right we put for drawer can read say the will they registered in Plateau High Court. You talk like that, no be so. So and you talk say na 2021. It means say if we go to the court registrar, we go see say 2001. We go see say na 2001. If no be 2001. It means a problem there. You no be so?
Yeah, no, don't be so. If we go, the document I read for them, because I gave them a copy here back. Now the reason why we keep rules for court and we register it and then we have our own copy now to compare. If the document I give them, because I didn't collect it back, after reading I give them. Now they gave the village head. He did with the village head. If we go to court, she go there, entire family go there, a third lawyer go there, then we go carry that one we did their hand. Go court. When we go court, I will not tell the probate office to release the document I register. They will now collect them on seal, compare with waiting I give them. If any figure, any letter, any word different, then that shows that problem is. But where waiting they their hand and waiting they court coincide and blend, then it is left for them now to now sit down as a family and say, okay, what do we do and how do we do from there?
Okay, but part of that thing will make me say problem there be say, apart from waiting be the content, now what I see where you the whole as proof say you no do anything where you not supposed to be say the will they registered in court. And then the date where she claim say na the day where you tell them say the will was written. Because no be the date where you talk say it they written. You talk say na 2001. That's 2001. And she say you
sorry sir. I know being specific on 2021. I said 2021 or 2022 because you don't take when I do the work.
Okay, but I been expect say as we start this matter yesterday, it not going to be very tough thing for you to have accessed that will in your file since today where we agree say we go talk. Even to send me the copy. Like say I see the copy, I for even put them on air. So that people where they follow, they go no say we no get anything to hide. Our own here no be about who bring matter, not to give justice to whoever that deserve justice. If it be say na Danjuma deserve justice here, if we no give him, God no go forgive us. You understand? Now make me yesterday talk say send me the will, make we see. And then as you give us that copy, we where they do investigative journalism and we go know how we go reach out to the court registry to get a copy of the will. Even without you, we fit get them, and then we go compare. If we see anything where no be say no be so, we go leave them. But if we compare, see say it correct and nothing, then we go tell them say no. You understand? So this one where you never give me.
I will send you. Before the end of today, I will send you page by page of the will. That's I'm sure.
Okay.
I rush from court office. I on my TV to even watch the program.
Okay.
I discovered that no film it up.
Okay. I believe, say, even in your file, you also get even the file number of the registration in court.
Yes, it should be there.
You go send us that one too.
I'll send them.
Make our search easy. Okay. It gets one more question where I want to ask you before I allow them to continue. How did you get to know Baba? How you meet him?
Oh. Now, Baba, I don't know how Baba got my phone number. And Baba called me one time. He said I should come. He wants to see me. I went to his house. Baba discussed with me. He said he wants me to work for him. And that was around that 2021 or 2022, just within that period.
No, we don't miss the date. We don't mean the miss among you. I've been carried 2001, but now you they talk 2021, 2022. Which one are you talking about?
No, I said the work don't take time. That is why I'm putting it in between.
No, the gap between 2001 and 2021 is too much. Now about 20 years. It no go fit be.
Okay. Yeah, it's 2022, sorry. 2022. Not 2021, 2022.
So no be 2001, now 2022. You there on air, right?
Yes. 2022. I'm particular about that.
You are sure about the 2022? Or you want make we still end the matter, make you go confirm? Are you sure?
No, don't need to end. 100%.
2022. 2022, okay.
Yes, sir. 2022. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now, that was how I got to meet Baba.
Baba called you for phone?
Sir. Yes, sir.
And he no tell you how he get your number?
No, he told me. He said he heard about me.
Okay.
And that I am a lawyer. I said, yes, Baba. He said he has heard about me, how I have helped, how I've been working for people. And he said he needs me to do work for him. I said, okay, Baba, what is the work? He told me everything about the will. I said, Baba, what is the reason why you want to do this? And why you want to make the will and involve without involving your biological children, like I said. And then Baba told me everything that way I explained to you.
Okay.
So that was how I met Baba.
As he be say you know the Baba children, within that time, you see any of the children around with Baba? None of them there, or you see some of them around?
None of them.
Not one of them?
Not one. For the time I visited Baba, Baba was alone.
In 2022?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Baba no tell you who be the person where tell him about you as lawyer?
No, Baba didn't disclose to me.
Okay.
Baba no disclose to me to see how he get my contact.
Okay.
Baba no disclose to me.
Okay. We take more questions. I want to make we finish with the principal person who bring complaint come before we open for others. Madam, you get more questions?
Yes, sir. That day when you read the will, they asked Danjuma, say, you know anything about this will before Baba died? Danjuma say, no know anything. Later on, still he use his mouth, say, now he go collect the lawyer number, come give Baba. Then the day where they want write the will, now he carry motor, go carry the lawyer, come Baba house again.
You they hear waiting.
And in the day when Danjuma they talk all those things, even the land when he say they come later
we
after
take them one by one. The day where they read will, Nahim Danjuma confirm say Nahim carry Baba number give you. Say even Nahim take motor come carry you come meet Baba. Now waiting she talk. He said Danjuma talk him that day, but you know keep quiet. You know shut him up. You know deny him. You know even do hand for mouth like this for him.
No. Danjuma didn't take me to Baba. Danjuma no carry me go Baba. If Danjuma gives Baba my number, that will be between Danjuma and Baba. But me, I was not aware that Danjuma extended my number to Baba or gave Baba my number. That I cannot know. Yes. If whatever they did between Baba and Danjuma, that might between them.
Okay. But the other matter then where you've been done do with Danjuma na private matter for I no concern this matter.
No.
I mean the matters where you've been done do with Danjuma before that time, that one no be na private matter.
Private matter. Sorry, I don't understand.
The matters where you've been done do with Danjuma before, it no concern yes. Baba. Before that writing of will, na private matter between you and him.
What is only once I had anything to do with Danjuma. Just once.
Waiting be yes. That once.
Good. Now, the ones I had something to do with Danjuma was when the Nigerian Medical Association want to acquire land for Basa. And Danjuma, and they said they needed a lawyer. And they connected me and the landowners connected with the Nigerian Medical Association. And I came in between and did the job.
Okay, that was in 2000 and what?
That one don't feel small.
Like 2000 and what? Okay.
Let's say maybe like we put it, say, we don't take. Let me get the document of the transaction. Then I'll tell you about that. Okay,
he was more like a link person where they pay you in getting commission. Now, how the relationship be?
The Nigerian Medical Association paid into my account. I now pay the landowner. So yes.
Him now a link person where he be, at least he's supposed getting own pay.
Yeah, sure, definitely the landowners do. Yeah. They should have their own private arrangement for that.
Okay. But you were in link, why you no go pay him?
Pay Danjuma?
Yes, now. Now him link you.
No, I can't pay Danjuma. I offer professional service. If I do my work from my what the little they will give me, I'll now pay Danjuma. No.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. You still get another question?
Yes, sir.
Please ask.
That day when they read the will, when you say after reading the will, they now discover say the land will remain now just like 3 plots. Now the Danjuma na talking. Say the land where my father mentioned for the will, say the only thing where remains if no past 2 or 3 plots. So the elders where they there, one of them now asks and say, okay, you know reach 3 plots, then how they come mention I'm inside the will. Okay. So now from the Danjuma now he me here say now like 2 or 3 plots now remain.
Okay. You hear the question where she asked. He said when they read the will that day, Danjuma say even the land where they mention, say it don't finish, it remain like 2 or 3 plots. And the elders come and say, if we be say the land don't finish now, remain like 2 or 3 plots, why they still leave them for the will or mention them for the will?
Yes, that is why I say people will buy the land. They are alive. Their agreement will speak to when they buy the land. And you will see the land. Not be saying now one particular, not be saying that they sell all one time. That I don't know for Baba. But when they bring people, they buy part from the land. You can tell. What I can say and what I know is the land that Baba listed on for me. That is exactly how I captured him on the will. Now, whether they go behind me and sell and exhaust all, I will not know. Whether they sold before Baba listed to me, after taking me, showing me empty space, and I see, then I will not know. But what I know is that Baba listed this particular land, and I captured them in the will. And to my own greater surprise, even begin, I was also there. When they said what was even remaining is the house where Baba lives.
Okay, you there surprised to hear that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You don't hear them. You still get question for them?
No, sir. Now the Danjuma for like.
Now Danjuma you for like ask
yes,
question.
because even him, you don't know the lands well.
Okay, no problem. You go ask Danjuma. And now, for people who are there for studio, who get question for barrister? Any of you? Okay.
I want to ask him. He said they mentioned the sons that are late. Do they have children?
No.
Okay, barrister.
Did he try to inquire? Because
Yes, sir.
in the will,
Barrister Pamela in our studio asked, say, the sons where they mention for the will, where we don't ask you, try to explain why you think, say, they suppose mention them and you agree to mention them. Whether those sons where they mention get children?
Yes, they do.
They get children. Who and who are they?
2 sons.
Okay.
No, I don't know their children's name.
Okay, but you know their names,
yes.
the sons' names.
The sons. Yes.
What
I
will
know
be
their
their
names.
names?
Akanu, Ruben, and Aiki, Ruben.
They,
And then,
Huh?
let me,
Those
I'm
ones, they are
mentioning
alive.
them.
They'll be the ones where die.
these two where you mention now, she talks saying are the ones where they are alive. So make it no come be like say.
Exactly.
Now the ones where know they are alive, where their name appear for the will. Now Barrister Pamela they ask.
they marry, they get children.
Whether they marry, they get children.
I don't know about their own children, just like I said. But Baba gave me
Hold on,
their
Barrister.
name.
Okay. You don't know whether they marry or they get children.
No, I don't. I don't know whether they have children, but Baba gave me their name.
Okay. But I've been asked you before, say whether they necessary to put names of people where don't die inside will, where it be said they know they put them to say maybe this chair where they decide, give them to them, this bed in case they want where they go, lie down, make person no talk, say they no get bed, give them this bed. So waiting be the reason for putting them. You talk say if it be said they go get children. But now, I make Barrister Pamela they ask now, say, okay, if not that be the reason, these very ones, whether they get children.
It is this very one. If they get children, it is the immediate family that will sit down and identify the children. For me, I discuss with my client, Baba.
But did Baba tell you when they
back.
mentioned them, whether then they are alive or they don't die?
No, he mentioned death. Death.
As dead.
Death. Yes.
Ah. And you know Assam say why? As if he said they don't die. And they know there's an extent to which you can extract information from your client. Just like I said. If I ask Baba, who are his 2 biological children, when he gives birth with the wife he married. And that is why Baba gave me this detail. No. Okay.
I will ask Baba why him. Oh, sorry, I didn't get to the what he said.
Which one you no get? Which one you no get? Make I ask you.
You be talk here, I suppose ask Baba why.
Where be say they know they are alive. They can't enter the will. And no be say the will they talk, say make them leave 1 chair or table for them. Waiting be the purpose where you want make I put them in the will when you know they know they are alive. And no be say then they can't inherit or their grandchildren, their children want supposed to inherit.
Okay. Now, when I asked him to list his biological children, and when he listed them, I want to believe that it is to confirm his own biological children that he has with the wife he married on earth. No, he say any other thing.
Is that part of the process in will, in making will?
Yes, in making a will, you have different patterns. Now, when you extract information, you get what we call codicil, where you can reverse back and amend the will in the event where some of the properties don't go and the Baba still they are alive, or the man still they are alive, or some of the properties are no longer, or they've been given as the gift. Now, because we made that time to go back and do the codices because of Baba still here, and once in a while, we see him speak and all that. That was why he remained the way he is.
Okay. Make we take other questions. When I say okay, it no means I agree with you or they disagree with you. Now make we go to the next one. Now the people where they listen, now them go talk whether they agree or not. Even those who go call on phone.
Because I don't agree to that to an extent, because every document, every legal document has procedures on how to draft every legal document. And will is not something I will just write today and keep. No. Will, you can change your will 1,000,000 times. It's subject to change 1,000,000 times before you die. And once you change that one, the one of yesterday is invalid. And everybody that is listed in a will is supposed to be alive, because a will is for the living, not for the dead. Then you mentioning people that died long time ago in a will, and they have no heir to inherit their own part of inheritance in that will, is not making any sense. And one thing again about writing a will is, if you're writing a will for somebody now and he starts having headache, you stop till he gets fine and he's in a very good health or state of mind, you continue. But saying that the father said he has 2 children that are late, you would have made more inquiry to ask, do they have children? If no, then they are not necessary in that will. So mentioning 2 people that died long time ago in a will of 2022 is not making sense again. If you ask me, I would say that will was written by someone that didn't know that those 2 people are dead. If you ask me. It's written by somebody that did not know that those 2 people have no children, those 2 people are dead, and those 2 people are not supposed to be in that will.
Okay. Did you hear him? Did you hear her, barrister?
Yes, I did.
Now your professional colleague, now she talk like this, say, will is for the living, not for the dead. And
That's right.
And CB say, those people, they no get children as you've been think or submit before. Say part of reasons go be say maybe they get children. Say you suppose ask. You suppose say these ones will be say in tell me say die, because I ask you whether Baba tell you say they are dead or they are living. You talk say they are dead. You for say waiting be their reason, because you will be professional. Now you supposed to advise Baba.
Exactly. Exactly. That's very true.
Okay. So as okay, as if you say you agree now, or say this one where Barrister Pamela talk not true, you get any response to that?
Yes. What I did in that paragraph is to capture all the biological children of Baba, like I said, and now proceed to now see whatever is contained in the other.
You're still explaining to what you did. No be waiting with the talk, no be waiting you do now. She said that thing no they correct. So there's no need to continue to explain now. If you say you agree, say no they correct. Okay, you tell us why you do them now, as if you say you agree. Say no they correct.
Yes. What I said is part of the interview me conduct with Baba.
So na interview you write now, no be will. It means say the thing na interview report, no be will.
My will, sir. It's a will, sir.
It's a will. Okay. Make we keep that one by the side and make we take other answers, but at least make we note them. Say at this point, me I talk say na interview report, but in talk say no be interview report na will. So Oman Dave.
Okay. I want to ask Barrister if you hear me. Your chamber.
Yes, sir.
Your chamber, is it within the community where Baba dey, abi dey some kilometers far, far away?
Okay, we did different local government. Baba did Basa, me, I did just not.
Okay. And as a lawyer, be say you dey do land matter too, you dey help write agreement for people as part of your proceedings and dealings too.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And it can't be like, say, somewhere along the line to Danjuma, don't forget the day into land. What are you there aware?
Yes, sir.
And in the course of these dealings, is it possible too that Danjuma, when they into land, and as a lawyer, where you deal on both land and court and criminal cases, you don't do some dealings with Danjuma sometimes in the past?
Yes, that is where I talked about the Nigerian Medical Association land transaction where we do.
Okay, so you and Danjuma don't do business like 2-3 times as partners or as friends, associates, directly or indirectly?
That of the Nigerian Medical Association, which I said.
Okay, yes, that was yes.
Yes, sir.
So if you will permit me to say, I'm not putting it to you.
Don't put it.
No, yeah, I'm not. I'm not. Say you and Danjuma don't do 1 or 2 businesses. Maybe say I don't know ourselves. And don't forget, the lady here say he allege. Say Danjuma say, please correct me if I'm wrong. Danjuma say, now him go carry you sometimes ago.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, in the course of this consultant, I can Brekete Family in Nigeria and in diaspora, I just try to establish some links when done day, either before now or after now, because as a lawyer, you go down to do your proceedings and without on a path, go don't cross directly or indirectly. Consultant Ike, go cost us too much again to do another conference call with him, Danjuma, and possibly a chief
of the community.
And what the chief of the community, maybe we'll get 2 or 3 persons when been the day where Danjuma they allege or do that talk where they talk so. Like 2 or 3 persons maybe in day, maybe 5 conference call, we could join them. Okay. We unravel what we look at. Thank you.
Thank you, Omande. Make one appreciate Omande. Give Wari Elder, and when he finish now, Daddy Polycarp, then we go begin wrap them up. But we go take a few calls. We don't already pass 11 o'clock, so make we take a few calls so that by 11:30 we close. We'll go continue.
Okay, I want to ask the lawyer very quickly. When you ask him the question, say how Baba take get in number, in talk say he no know. Baba just call him. Remember, say lawyer. Remember, say he talk like that. Say you don't know how Baba take get your number.
I talk like that.
I'll make you answer if you hear us.
You hear what in Wari Elder asks you?
Yes, sir.
What be your response?
Okay, my response is how Baba take get my number to call me. Baba no disclose to me. And like I said, if Danjuma gave Baba my number, I would not know. I was not there. So how Baba was able to get my number to call me, I will not know.
Okay. Now
he called me. Yes.
I'm not going to ask him again.
Now,
you don't answer himself.
Now, where be say matter even done the talk number talk thing. I want to ask you one thing. You they use smartphone on ordinary this touch. Now smartphone you they use.
No, I did. Yes, now one small Samsung phone. Yes, sir. Samsung phone.
The phone get camera.
Samsung. You get camera, but not too sharp.
But the fit see.
Yes, not clear. Yes.
The camera no clear. Okay, but he get audio. The phone the fit record something.
It should, yes, sir.
Okay.
It should.
Okay. You been record any of this Baba testimony or conversation with you when this matter they go on? You get any record where go show in voice?
No. Nothing.
Okay, but as you see the controversy where they where you begin to the worry, say, Kai, this thing no be like Africans. Why you no think say if for they helpful? If you say, Baba, talk to this camera or talk to this mic, the thing where you they tell me, Baba, I won't make you talk where I go fit record them, because tomorrow they fit accuse me, say I don't do something where no they professional or where no they right. Why you think say you for no be the right thing you for do?
Okay, now why I think say I no go do that? Because Baba was living alone, just like I said. And the community, the elders, and everybody within the community understands the kind of person Baba was. I come begin to know the kind of person Baba was. Lately, there was nobody that would come close to Baba. Baba had a biological brother from the same father, the same mother. They had a litigation case about land for 30 years.
But that is biological brother?
Yes, sir.
Two of them, they drag land for about 30 years.
30 years. If the daughter is there, she would know if she was within, or the mother who accompanied the daughter there. 30 years. The children of that man are alive. And they can tell the kind of person Baba is. When we visit the community, nobody could visit Baba and talk to him. Nobody. It got to a point, the elder sister confessed on the day we came to read the will. And she said she came to the house one day and found Baba on the ground on top of his pool. She entered, cleaned everywhere, and took him in. But that was where she started trying to bring Baba closer to them so that they would amend their differences. So Baba was someone who lived alone. Anybody that knows him in that community, they will tell you this. Baba was always alone.
Okay. Yes, Elder Polycarp, no, that is scaffold. And Elder Polycarp I've been seen before. Mark, we hear Elder Polycarp.
Good day, Consultant Heights,
yes,
and then all members of the Brekete family,
yes,
both in the studio and all over the world. There is something that is confusing me. If I heard the barrister correctly, he said the reason of writing names on a will is for the reason of inheritance. Barrister Pamela said something. I can write a will today. If tomorrow I see that there are some changes that should make me change that will, I will change it. If Baba wrote the names of his children on that list for the sake of inheritance, and in the end, he decided that Danjuma should inherit him, why didn't they change that will before Baba's death?
On Anogo, Daddy Polycarp, you ask questions where they're very important. And then I don't want to make it be like say we take any side. Because here, now make we stand in between. The one will be truth, we go show them. If mistake there, we go also show them. The people will make mistake, if they accept them, we go find how to correct them. Waiting that the Polycarp talk be say, Barrister Pamela been done point them out, say, will not be something where they cast on rock as long as the person still there alive. So they fit right today, they change them. So when Baba writes this will, and later on in between, this in children can't die, why he no change the will? But no be waiting you ask. So let's assume, say, in right time when they are alive, but when they can't die, waiting making no change the will. Now say, okay, as if you say, this one don't die, and will, inheritance now for the living. So make you come, make we rewrite this will. Make I remove these ones where don't die.
Okay, if you hear when I start, I said we get waiting with the court this deal. Now, the codicil, now in the document or a rewritten will, where if you write, you get will already, and then you bring the codicil, make correction. You will now use that codicil, go exchange the will, where they for the probate office, after capturing the present properties owned by the testator. So now, why we now produce another codicil to go effect?
The line don't cut. I know, say me, I get enough credit, even though we don't talk with them for almost 3,599 seconds. I go call them again. I actually been one make he just answer this question because he get waiting he don't talk will be direct answer to that question, but I want make I see the consistency.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes. Why you go cut him?
Yes.
Let me call you now, barrister.
No. I didn't cut the call.
Okay.
I was talking to you when the call was.
Okay, sorry.
No, I no cut call.
Okay.
Yes,
go ahead.
As I was talking, yes, the codicil, just like I talk, we no produce codicil to effect correction on the will because Baba no ask me to correct or I was not in the know. Say Baba don't sell some other property. We will now go correct. However, what I wanted was to have the biological children of Baba captured in clear terms and then to proceed ahead. That is all. If Baba decides to say, okay, perhaps maybe Baba contacted another lawyer somewhere to now do a different will for him, the lawyer would contact me. Our Baba would tell the lawyer and the lawyer will contact me. Then the lawyer will now go and correct whatever Baba wants to correct. To the best of my knowledge, Baba, I don't know whether I contact another lawyer, but the details Baba produced to me is the details I produced and submitted to him in the condition he was as at the time.
Okay. Thank you. Waiting the answer now, respond to the property side. I've been thinking say they go to the death side, people will die. And now that people will die side, I talk say been don't answer them because I ask them whether those ones will die. Baba tell them say they are dead. He say yes. He tell them say they are dead. So they were not recorded as people living. So on the property side now, we be say many things happen, sales happen after. He say Baba no contact them, say come and change. Thank you. That the scaffold, finally. You get question?
Yes, my question is, first, I want to ask the barrister, how many years has he been practicing?
Okay. Barrister.
Yes, sir.
In the ask whether you just start like in that 2022 or you've been done start as a lawyer a long time before that time.
I graduated 2015 from law school.
Oh, wow.
And then I start practice after 2 years.
Okay.
2017.
Okay. 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 Thank you very much, barrister. And now we go make we hear take calls from people where they follow us. You still want to talk anything?
Yeah, I just asked one question, a remaining one.
Oh yeah, ask quickly.
Yeah. Why I ask this question is, now that one is clear. The next thing I want to ask him now is, has he been preparing wills for people before now, or this is the very first one?
Okay. And then the follow-up question where he asked, we say, you know, say even when you graduate as a lawyer, there may be areas that you will also be encountering for the first time until you begin to see them more. He was asking whether this particular will was your first will.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't get any other will with any other client except this one.
Okay, except this one.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay. Now, make una appreciate barrister because at least one, apart from his time, to accept will for this one, make we appreciate him again. Okay, and I don't know whether you go hold them or how we go do, or you go follow us online, because I want make we begin open telephone line, make people fit call, and then chook mouth for the matter, and we go take a conclusion on the matter.
Yes, I will hold on because I know they watch, so I will listen to radio.
Okay.
I will listen to you on phone, so I will hold on.
Okay.
And then hear the conclusion.
On top of my credit, share barrister.
No, I will call back.
No call back. Hold on, barrister. No go anywhere.
Okay.
No go anywhere. Okay, my brothers, my sisters, if una look, una go see say time don't give us signal. Signal make we do waiting. Signal make we enter telephone line. Make we hear from people where they follow the program. Make them talk as it be them and waiting they see, waiting they feel on top of this matter. Hello, good morning, Guy.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, now who ever know with us?
Is it Brekete Family?
Now Brekete Family. Oh.
Okay. Good day, sir.
Yes, we they hear you. Vano they go quick. You they follow us. You hear the matter where they go on studio?
Yes, and I have a complaint to make.
No, we can't take your complaint now. We can't take your complaint now. You they hear me?
I'm hearing you.
Now, I dey very sorry. We no fit take complaint now. Now this matter where they go on, now I want make we talk, finish them, so that we go get time face other matter them.
So you say I should do what?
I no fit take your complaint now, unless na this matter where they go on air now you want talk about. If na him, you talk waiting it be. If you get complaint, you bring your complaint.
Complaint to you people.
Okay. I don't cut them. They take another one. Hello, good morning.
Hello. Good morning, sir.
Yes, now who ever know with us?
Good morning, sir.
If you no move away from the radio or tune them down, I go cut you through away.
Good morning, sir. Cause
yes, and hold on before you talk. Anybody will call us. We no need.
Sir.
We they hear you now. Hold on. Can you hold on?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I talk say anybody will call us now. If we begin hear this nyao voice, because in feedback, because he no move come out from where he call, or he no lower the radio well or off him, we go cut him through away. We no go waste time. Or you have another. Waiting be your name.
Come out from my radio.
Waiting be your name.
My name is Alhaji Idris from Kuba.
All right, Alhaji Idris, you
I've been
follow us.
calling you for a very long time. Thank God I get you today.
Okay.
Thank you for what you people are doing for our masses.
Yes.
On top of that case from I want to ask the lawyer whether Danjuma is part of the family.
Barrister, is they here?
Hello, whether Danjuma
in the hear you. In the hear you.
Baba.
When you ask,
it's a part of Baba family.
Allow him make an answer.
Because the family, the children are not with Baba again. Danjuma take over Baba everything, both the property.
Barrister, are you still online?
Is it possible like that?
Yes, but can you listen now? Anybody where they call, no say na dialogue with the gate. When you talk, you listen so that you go hear. Now, Barrister, answer him.
Yes. Now, one, Danjuma will be biological son of Baba. But from the information Baba gives me, him and Danjuma don't get together for a very long time. And Danjuma, like him, they take care of arms when everybody deserted him. So Danjuma is not his biological son, but they have been together. And even when you go to the community, from my own research, around the community, everybody knows Baba and Danjuma. And that is why anytime Baba fall for road, when he health deteriorates, people will know Danjuma go call him Waiting the hotel and say, your Baba don't fall, your father don't fall. And Danjuma will take him to the hospital. The same Danjuma, now he carry Baba, go hospital when Baba health deteriorate. It was the same Danjuma who was able to be in the hospital with Baba before they call the other siblings to now come. That is the other children of Baba to come.
Okay.
So the relationship, yes, the relationship between Baba and Danjuma, it don't take long time to see the way they know each other. Yes.
Okay. Thank you for that one.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
It means Danjuma was adopted by Baba.
Yes, but not official because there's no document showing that adoption. But maybe he was adopted based on their relationship and long-term relationship.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So because of that, he's in charge of everything of his Baba, both the property and the Baba children.
Because of that, he's in charge of everything. He's in charge of what Baba wills to him. And even as a community, when I came and told them the content of the will, we still spoke as a community and said, okay, you people can now go and sit and discuss. And between man and God, the first son of the family calls Danjuma his brother. And to even tell you that the relationship between them and Danjuma is very close, the lady who came and lodged the complaint, after the burial of their father, when she was returning back to Abuja, she came to Danjuma. Danjuma gave her 1 basket of pepper, 2 baskets of tomato, and 10,000 naira as transportation to Cuba. And she met him in full confidence that Danjuma is their brother.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right.
Let me write my case for another people.
Okay. But what thing you see?
Sir? Hello?
What thing you see for the matter?
The matter is anyhow zigzag. Because all of us, me, I'm from Kogi, Igala by tribe, I'm from Anspa, local government. You can, if you adopt a child, that child, even in the Quran, he has a right to for your property, but not all these things. When you have your children, but his family said the dead people can never, they're not supposed to appear in a property. It's true. Somebody that died. And Ahmed has been talking that the body has no this thing to write a statement again. Baba is not alive. But God is there. Everything Danjuma is doing, he has to remember the day he himself will live. The barista man that is talking now.
Yes, sir.
Will they hear you?
That is just my organization.
Okay, thank you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Okay.
Yes.
Hello, good morning.
Will they hear you?
Good morning,
Oh, lo. Go straight to the point. Waiting be your name and waiting you want to talk about the matter.
My name is Christian Odiwane. I call from New York.
Mm-hmm.
I want to quickly choose mouth for this matter we will talk about today.
Go ahead.
You see, when it comes to this matter of will and how we go between these Baba children, the lawyer and the guy where Baba will be paying for. I want, on the other hand, hope we look at, I want to say, yes, in as much as say, we dey suspect, say, monkey hand won't resemble human being hand for this matter. Look, we also dey understand, say, if it be possible, say, these children, when this man dey alive, they no show am love. And some people, they make some decisions while they are alive, say, in as much as say, these children are not ready to come close, make we join hands together, build this family. So see when they come closer to me, I go give them everything I get when I'm no more. The one who I chop remain, if I don't go, make him take them. I think don't die now. They don't come out now, they fight for property. They come show the kind of law where they no show their papa when they are alive. I just want to look at through that angle. Because as far as say Nigeria is concerned, anything can happen. And if you check the gap between the time when Mama don't leave Baba and when they don't divorce, and when this Baba died, and say all these students they with their mother, perhaps they are not close to their father based on we don't know what things happen within that period. And thought you no go chop where you know work. If you know where you know work, you know go chop. For me, say whether the man born them. I do not be the man born them.
That now your own philosophy say person no go chop where you know work.
Stop this one. Because we get family members where they home where they say, if something happen to you today now, then we want you to drag for your property. But when you dey here, they also they know they ready to gather what you keep for granted. When but when you are no more, you go to them and say, "Time, my brother no go still do this." So yeah, my brother and them born us together. I beg make you look at from that angle. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your input. And you talk, say your name now.
My name is Christian Obiwanne. I call from New York.
Okay, Christian Obiwanne. What time is there for New York now?
We just 6:32 a.m. I don't come out since 4 and I don't go work.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Okay, we don't hear Christian Obiwanne. We also don't hear other people. Make I see. I go just take 2 more calls or 3. We go come back to the studio. We go wrap them up. Make we see whether the calls they come. But before the calls come in, for YouTube, we get many comments here. And let me see whether I go fit see the ones where I go fit read, but many of them, they just scroll fast. Dorothy Ojonuba, he says, some family members are very mean. Let's not rule out that fact. And then, okay. The Poultry Site TV say, this lady say her mother didn't remarry, but this lawyer say that the woman remarried. I no one go begin dig all those ones. Waiting they important to the matter now we go focus on. And what is outstanding be say they been married, they born children, but after they no come marry, they divorce and they separate. And that don't happen about 30 years ago. But children they in between. So as he divorced the wife, no be the children where he divorced. I think 9 be divorced now. And when you divorce wife, you know mean say you divorce children. So they didn't, Benjamin P. say, they didn't take care of their late father, but they want to inherit from his property. Then Kiyubu Abba, he say, these guys should go home. They don't have any case. Okay, we no go conclude on that like that. I won't make I return back. Just take 2 calls, then we go come back and close the matter. Hello, good morning.
Hello?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, now who the Vano with us?
Yes, my name is Solomon. I call from Italy.
Okay. Oh yeah, Vano they go.
I just say make I throw small light too, based on my own small understanding of this case. Where we they discuss for. This one. Hello.
We they hear you. Go ahead quickly.
Okay. Me, this one. Wait me. I want share here inside this matter says, we say, as we dey try to talk to our people, say, it don't reach time, make even our culture, make we dey look into our culture, they see the one way good to retain and the one way good to abolish. Now that angle me I want look. Because if you talk of Italy here where we dey and most other countries, when it comes to inheritance, if person dies, the government, there are systems automatically that comes into play for sharing of property, like for Italy here. You know, they bring any will form out, say, my papa write will, excluding in natural children or adopted children by document, you know they work.
For Italy.
If you want to give it for Italy here, you know they work. There is what they call really legitimacy. Once now the children where the man born, if he don't die, the country, the law establish how to share those things. They know they drag. Now these things make where they say even our people, our relations, they begin to cheat our wives. Then they begin to cheat women when they marry from. You will see uncles, you will see relations begin to share property. How no matter, and we appreciate the way this guy help Baba, manage Baba till Baba die. But remove the natural birth of those children's rights. Remove. Yeah, be sort of if Baba want give them when he stay alive, if na it reject, he go down transfer ownership while he's alive to anybody who want transfer ownership.
Okay.
If he don't die, he never transfer ownership. Will no day exclude children.
Okay. Thank you.
Because this is long time.
Thank you. You don't repeat. You don't make your point.
So, if not all make national.
Are you listening?
Let them begin look on law how to protect family members, most especially women when their husband die.
You dey listen. You dey listen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we don't hear your point. You talk say na so it be for Italy, and you dey talk make government also do the same thing for Nigeria. Thank you.
I can hear you.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. And Kayuba Abba, he say, hold on phone. Kayuba Abba, he say, I don't even know who is the complainant in this matter. Is it Mama or Rose? Good morning. Hold on. Stay online. Kayuba say, I don't even know who is the complainant. The thing don't go off. It don't go off. It be like say my leg touch the cable. Say no who be the complainant, whether na Mama or na Rose. Na so Kayuba talk. I beg somebody can't help me. This system don't go off. Say no who be the complainant. Mama Day, I know, but like the barrister talked before, he said divorce happened, so Mama no go fit inherit as the widow of the children of the man. That one we completely agree with them. Then the children also, na them for waiting I see, na them be the complainant where we dey listen to. So go ahead, you wait there for phone.
Good morning, sir.
You don't need to on them here. Find where they on them. Yes, go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Go ahead, we dey hear you.
Okay, my name is Felix. My question is to the barrister.
Yes.
I want to ask the barrister, here and Danjuma, how long did they talk? Because if I may understand, you say you only get in touch with the barrister when they do medical and waiting this thing. And if you talk that, how come you know how Danjuma give those people things or how he help Baba or who is giving you those information? You have Danjuma, do you people talk always?
Barrister, you dey hear? Now your question be that, not be my own.
Yes, sir. Make an
answer.
Okay, now, all of us we speak the same language because all of us are from the same kingdom and local government. Now, the information, some of the information I got between the intimacy of Baba and Danjuma was from Baba's testimony himself. And some of the information that I got between Danjuma and Baba, the intimacy, is also between the neighbors around and the community. Just like I said. In fact, we get one man where they sell shine, they sell tea. Any time the man saw that man, just like I said, when the man fell down or the man is sick, that particular Messiah, he will call Danjuma and say, look at your father is down again. So how I got to know the intimacy of Danjuma and the Baba is within the community, asking questions. Because when Baba told me, say, Kai, this boy, he wants this boy to inherit him. I was surprised myself and I had to ask questions. And if the sister Rose would tell you the truth, the day we read the will in their presence, the second son, who is Aiki, confessed and confirmed that on the sick and dying bed of Baba, Baba told him that what is remaining is for Danjuma and not for any of you. And the Aiki is alive. And the Aiki is always even visiting the Danjuma, according to what I've gathered. So I got to know some details because people around the community, and like I said, when you visit the community, you understand and appreciate better is that Baba lived a solitary life, a lonely life, and we had no one person that we could beckon on apart from that boy Danjuma. I am not holding brief for Danjuma. He will speak for himself. But based on the information Baba gave me and people around the community, they will tell you more of the intimacy of Baba and Danjuma. Thank you.
Okay, you hear him? It be like say him don't come out.
Don't go offline.
Oh, you don't go offline. Okay, anyway, my brothers and my sisters, we don't reach where make we draw the line for the matter today. All of us don't hear. For me, waiting I see, some of them still need further investigation. Make we no conclude matter. Any matter where we do now, na temporary conclusion where it go be. Which are the things where I say they require further investigation? The will in question, we need to see the will so that we fit look the will. One, make verification, say true, the will they registered with the court where in talk say it they registered. Then thirdly, it don't mention say some community leaders and chiefs, community people they involve when the matter, the reading of the will, and within the period of Baba death and burial. I want contact of those community leaders. We go reach out to them. We go find out. If waiting a claim about the will, say true, Baba right will, we no get means of proving say Baba no right will. And that will no they influenced by him or by Danjuma directly, we no go do anything about the will. The will go remain as it be. And if true say these children follow their mama, abandon Baba when Baba they are alive, you no go reap where you know sow. But we no go take them on just the evidence of this lawyer. We go make inquiry about them. We don't ask them to send us numbers of the chiefs. From the number we go send us, we go take them compare with number where we say people will come from the same community go send us. And as he be saying a Brekete family we there, where we say no community will no get representative to Brekete family. You go mention your name, your community name, your family name now, so that community members will come from on a place. They go also reach out to us Brekete family. And then we go compare the names and the number where in send us. And then before we begin ask them question, so that it no go be say in go influence the people where we they ask question. You they hear me so? Ona too,
yes, sir.
if ona get people will be witnesses, as he be said, and they call witness of community people. Say, ona papa live solitary life. Say, ona know they are around them, ona know support them when they are alive and when they healthy. If una get people where be say, they be community people there, where no say, ona support ona papa, this thing where they talk na lie, una go give us their contact, so that we no go only ask question from the side where lawyer bring, we go ask from the side where una bring to, ask from the side where the community people bring. If we find, say, anything where the lawyer don't talk today, no be true, then we go come back, open up the matter, and we go take actions. We go also even write petition the Nigerian Bar Association to show this one. You dey hear me, so?
Yes, sir.
So yes, now there, we go live on. Barrister, I don't know how it be you.
It's okay, sir. Very okay.
So how soon can I get those information?
Between today is Friday. Between now and weekend, I should be able to get some of the community leaders' phone numbers and then send you the picture of the will and my possession, and that's so that when they compare it with what is in the registry, they can confirm that.
Okay, you talk say your camera no dey clear. No send me waiting no clear. Go borrow camera phone if you no get person where go do them for you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And then that's now where we go hold them, and on that ground we go know whether we need to talk to Danjuma or we no need to talk to Ram. If we confirm, say, Baba true right will, and nobody influence them, we not go to do anything about them. Because we know, say, this kind of matter, it happen sometimes. Woman and man go marry. Woman go carry children waka. Go begin spoil the children mind where the papa dey. Children no go come near papa. In the most critical time in papa life, papa go dey wish, where my children? He get where he go reach, he no see in children. He go begin verse. Any person where they near him, he they ready to say anything where I get, make that person get them. Make these people suffer. As he be say they follow their mama, abandon me, it's a possibility. But we no conclude say na him be the matter. Our own be say two key things. Check that will, confirm authenticity of the will, and influence no day. Check the evidence, the talk say, Baba, these children abandon them. If not true, matter don't finish. Thank you. Barrister.
Yes, sir.
Now there we go stop them for today.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
At least today I meet up on time.
Yes, you try today. You try.
Thank you so
all right. Bye-bye. Okay. My brothers, my sisters, today we don't pack, we don't walk, waka, talk, pass where we suppose pass. But we still have 12 minutes to get to the hour of 12. Make we take these 12 minutes, take very important messages where they go. You hear us, we take end them?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait, how it be you?
It dey okay.
It
because
okay.
This you just use mouth talk and you know they inside the will. This one where you tell and say you go confirm. You know they inside the will, so you don't finish. I do okay with that.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so you go explain to Mama after. Yes, make we appreciate her.